Welcome everyone to my channel, Meals with Mills. I hope you're all doing well out there. This is another episode from Mills Kitchen. I'm going to prepare a very quick kimchi soup. Let's start cooking. I have all the ingredients here. I've got everything in the bowl. I've got cabbage, mushroom, garlic and ginger, spring onion, white onions, lobster flavour balls and spam. I've also got the kimchi jar here, some chilli pepper, black pepper, chicken stock and our kimchi noodle. Okay, to the bowl I'm going to heat up my pan here and I'll add a little bit of oil. Going to add our onions. Garlic and ginger, our spam, and you might as well add the rest of the ingredients. Chili, add full jar of the kimchi, and we're now going to add our chicken stock. I'm going to add our noodle. Whoops. Just taste the juice. At this stage you can add the kimchi flavour sachet. Give it a good stir. If you don't want it too hot, just add a little bit of chilli. But this is nice when it's nice and spicy. What I should say is this is a nice spicy kind of soup that will make you breathe well. Put it that way. The spiciness in the soup will really open up your airways. Well, that's my experience. Okay, let it boil and then we will add our spring onions and turn off the oven. That is very quick and easy to make. For those who love kimchi, you know how quick and easy it is to make. Add the rest of our spring onions. Just give it one more taste. Perfect. Turn our oven off and let's give this soup a taste. Our soup is nice and hot now. I'm just gonna It is very spicy, but I can handle it, and I think that's what kimchi soups will be like, nice and spicy. Thank you for watching with me and joining in. I appreciate the love and support, and for all the subscribers, we appreciate your support from the kitchen of Meals with Mills. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and hit that post notification so you can be notified for more content in the future or for more videos. Stay safe. See you later. Bye.